Let's get this one off. Let's get number 1. Let's get number 4.
Number 1's easy.
What we want with the mother?
Gotta get it anyway.
You do it on 4 minutes?
I don't know.
More than a 10-minute video.
Bring it. Excuse me. Okay, this one. Where's the knife at? Don't know. This one here is number 4. Cut it open. Right out of the box, first plank. Look at this. That's unacceptable.
Piece is breaking off too.
Oh yeah, broken piece out of the box. Okay, this one, no good. Well, not passable. See, this one ain't so bad. It's passable. Little knot, it's a gimme. See, this ain't so bad. But you can see stains. Whatever that is.
Top.
A lot of knots.
Top of that, real bad.
Oh yeah, here's another one, prime example. So this is already 2. We've only put out 4 boards. We got 2 really bad ones. Unacceptable. Not bad. This is an okay one.
A little bit of putties on the side.
Putty. You can see here where this putty was wiped on. Sanded. So.
Putty on there too.
Where?
The other side. No?
Yeah, a little bit of putty. But still, it's the different color change. See, now this is a nice board. Good clean board. One good clean board.
This one too.
Another good clean board. This is excellent. Excellent.
Same too. Same board.
Yeah, good.
These two I beg to differ. Look at that. That's a color different here, down there. Putty on the side.
Oh yeah, here we go. Putty on the sides. Oh man. Okay, turn this board around.